Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little house, painted sunshine yellow, lived a bright-eyed girl named Lily. Lily loved to learn new things. Her favorite toy was a fluffy white bunny named Snowdrop, who always sat beside her during her little adventures. Lily had a special corner in the kitchen, where she kept her science things. Today, on a sunny afternoon, she brought out a bottle of clear vinegar and a box of white baking soda. She thought, her brow furrowed in playful concentration. What happens if I mix these? Snowdrop twitched his nose curiously, watching with big round eyes. Lily carefully poured some of the clear vinegar into a small clear bowl. It looked just like water. Then, with a little spoon, she scooped some white baking soda. It felt soft and powdery. Slowly, she sprinkled the baking soda into the bowl of vinegar. Suddenly, fizz! Bubbles started to form, growing bigger and bigger. The mixture began to rise up like a tiny, bubbly mountain. Lily gasped in delight, her eyes wide with wonder. Snowdrop hopped a little closer, his fluffy fur practically vibrating with excitement. It looked like a tiny volcano, erupting right in their kitchen. Lily giggled as the bubbly mixture overflowed the bowl, making a gentle fizzing sound. It wasn't scary at all, just surprising and fun. She touched the side of the bowl. It felt a little cool. "Wow!" she exclaimed. "They changed when I mixed them." Later, Lily told her mommy about her amazing bubbly volcano. Mommy smiled and said, "That's called a chemical reaction, Lily. The vinegar and baking soda mixed together to make something new." Lily's eyes sparkled. Learning was so exciting. The next day, Lily and Mommy cleaned up the little mess together. It was easy, and they even made it a game. Afterwards, Lily gave Snowdrop a big hug. "You saw my volcano, Snowdrop," she said. Snowdrop nudged her hand with his soft head. Lily learned that mixing things can be super interesting, and that even a little mess can be cleaned up easily with a little help. And that was a happy day for Lily and her fluffy friend.
Please subscribe. Thank you.